So guys, it is time to reveal my new car to you, and unfortunately it isn't a Giulia Quadrifoglio. It is, as in front of you you can see here, a Land Rover Discovery Dynamic SE 300 diesel in eager grey with matching black wheels, matching black roof rails and lots of other lovely black trim, which makes it look rather special. So hopefully you enjoy this video guys, because I absolutely love this car. So it has been here about 2 weeks now. I've literally just done its first tow and it towed brilliantly. But I thought I'd give you a quick little walk around it and show it off before I do a full video on it. But after having it for 2 weeks, I absolutely love it. So as I've said in videos before, a Land Rover was always a car I'd wanted. Ever since I test drove one sort of 2.5 years ago, I knew that this was the next car for me. I have tried my hardest to find another car. The next closest car to this I would have been interested in buying was the Audi SQ7 or SQ8. I thought they were a pretty good all-rounded car. The SQ8 is a little bit smaller, but it was a bit more sporty, as in it's based on the Lamborghini 4x4 Urus, is it? But yeah, they were a bit too rich brand new, but and they were rather thirsty. 4-litre diesel, so it was like a 5-year-old one I was looking at. But they were pretty quick and felt nice inside, but unfortunately the Land Rover still won over because you can seat 7. It's by far the more comfortable this car. It's a lot more capable of towing, and that is why I had one. The deal I had on it was really good compared to what it was 6 months ago. I've saved loads of money on it. That's why it made it worthwhile for me to get a brand new one and order a brand new one with all the spec I wanted on it. The specs I've had the upgraded Meridian surround system. I've had the opening closing sunroof. I've had to have the tow bar pack on it, so I get all the fancy cameras on it so I can see when I'm towing. What else have I had? I can't remember. Roof bars as well, so if we ever decide to go camping, we can use the roof bars, but mainly I had those because I thought it looked that little bit better. So continuing with the tour in the unit, let's just show you the massive boot. We've got the rear seats as well, so we can seat 7. We've got loads of storage areas. I've already filled that up with some stuff and started to get my car dirty already. Also got a tornado cover for the rear. And the rear seats themselves are absolutely huge as well. That's a new toy I bought for myself. And yeah, plenty of room in there for everything. Up front, we've got full electric memory seats, full leather, massive centre console with tons of storage, a beautiful infotainment screen and full digital dash. So yeah, ordered it a couple of months ago. I actually ordered it just before I put the video out that I was selling the Jeep. But unfortunately there were several cars that I couldn't have, just purely for the fact they don't tow the weights I need to tow. A Stelvio, tons of you were telling me to get a Stelvio, and I'd love to have had a Stelvio, but unfortunately they only tow 2,500 kilograms, and my trailer and a GTV comes to 2,700 kilograms, so instantly just towing one of the smallest Alfas I'd be overweight, so that's why I couldn't have a Stelvio. So this will tow up to 3.5 tons, so it'll pretty much tow anything I ever need it to do. So we are 2 weeks into ownership now and I absolutely love it. It's such a comfortable car, but what's surprising more than anything, it's super economical. In the Jeep I was getting 23 to 26. I'm now getting sort of 34 to 40 mpg out of this from a massive SUV, and this isn't even going on the motorway. Going on the motorway I was getting close to 50, so it is really economical. So far I've done about 370 miles in it, and I can't fault it, and I've had nothing go wrong with it. No faults. It's not broken down on me. So now a lot of you out there were saying, oh yeah, it's going to break down on you, and that was one of my biggest worries, and that's why effectively I wanted to see if I could afford a new one, and I managed to scrape enough together to order a new one. So I know it's got 3 years warranty, so if I do have any problems with it, it's all going to be taken care of by Land Rover. And then some of you say, oh, there's loads of back order for parts. Well, if that's the case, then I've got another car I can drive, so no issues there. So yes, 2 weeks into ownership, I absolutely love it. It's most definitely the right decision, and it is such an upgrade to the Jeep. I mean, I thought the Jeep was a good car and the Jeep towed well, but this is simply amazing. So give it a like. Thanks for watching. I'm sure there'll be more videos on it if you are interested in seeing more videos on it, because content on Land Rover discoveries is very, very thin on the ground. There's not very much on this generation of Land Rover at all on YouTube, and trust me, because I think I've watched everything available on there with it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.
Point it like that.
First drive. I don't even know it's changed gear yesterday. Right. Let's not crash it on the way out. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's so smooth. It's like driving a big lazy boy armchair. It's mine now. 2.5 years of waiting and it's mine.